Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here, and today we are taking a look at the brand new cases for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. These cases are from iBlesson and Calico company, and I wanna thank them for sending this out to me to review for you guys. And as always, if you wanna pick them up, you can buy it directly from the link down in the description. So let's open the package. So guys, these were the S22 Ultra cases. So which case do you like the most? Please let me know your thought in the comment section down below. That's it from this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.